Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Welcome back, y'all. Today we are continuing our Ghostbusters Ecto-1 build. We have issue 33 right here. We're gonna get started. Issue 32 is a big one. Let's see what they've got in store for us today. Okay, so here are the parts we get with stage 123. We have the gurney bed, we have the gurney upper frame, we have the grill, we have 6 of these grill brackets, we got 6 of the upper frame brackets, 4 of the grill brackets, we got a couple of caster legs, and a couple of caster wheels here, and a mess of screws. All right, we're gonna kick things off by taking the bed frame and the bed itself, and we're gonna be putting them together. Should go in this direction, and yeah, just like this, okay? Now you can see in several places here there are little frames that go on either side of a post. We're going to be using all 6 of these frame brackets. We're basically going to cover it over just like this for each one. We're going to use 2 YP screws on each. So we're talking 12 screws, 6 brackets to hold it in place. Alright, there's one as an example, and now I'll do the other 5. Whew, there we go, all 6 brackets are in. Those things did not want to go in place, but we got them, and we are ready for the next step. All right, next up, we're going to be putting the grill on, and it's going to go on this end. And if you take a look, there are little hooks. Those hooks will go over top of the bar here, just like that. And everything should line up nice and pretty. Oh, there's actually little holes. Not on top. There's actually little holes in here. So, what it looks like. Yeah, there it is. So you want to try and line those up in those holes. There it goes. Okay. Look at that. Ah. Didn't even notice the holes were there until things started going into them. Wow, okay. Well, and then you got 4 spots for brackets. We got 4 brackets. We're gonna be using YP screws again to hold everything in place. All right, and there's all 4 of these brackets in place. There are actually holes in the frame up here as well, but these don't seem to want to stay in. Close enough, you won't, I mean, you really wouldn't notice unless you're actually building it. But yeah, there you go. Looks great. Next up. All right, now we're gonna put the casters onto the caster legs. Basically, they just slide in just like that, and then you're going to use an FM screw on either side to hold it in place. All right, and there we go. 2 of them ready to rock and roll. Now we're going to bring the bed back out, and right up here you can see some posts near the grill. basically these are going to go right on top of those posts. That's not right. They're going to go into these holes. Look at that. There's little holes there. These posts are for something else. So these are going to go right on those holes, and you're going to use a DM screw from the other side to hold it in place. This is going to be a bit of a balancing act, y'all. All right, got them in there. Wow. It's not as tight as I would hope for. They're not turning, at least, but well, this one's nice and tight. This one, maybe I can play with it a little more. But that's it, really. That is the entirety of stage 123. Well, looks like we're going to be building the gurney for a while, possibly the entire issue. I guess we'll see. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Have a great day.